Hey guys, what is up? It is Educational Lily here. First things first on the list, I tell you guys something. Well, in my class, Mrs.Knoxs' class, we are learning sorry guys, we are learning decimal form, fractional form, and word form, and expanded form, I think. I don't know. So, I'll guys give you an example. This is I'm kind of a sister to speedrun. This. And let's teach you guys something. Put my glasses here. I can do it better with my glasses. Hope you guys can see, because if you can't, then I'll just tell you what I'm doing. If you can't see. Alright, that is good. So, okay, so we have, okay, so our fraction is 1254, right? So you guys can see 1254 up there? Probably you can. Probably you can't. one decimal 254. So 1 and 254 thousandths. So you would also do it like I would put it in a we call this a place value chart. You go all the way down. We call this a place value. I call it a place value box. Some people call it a place value chart. You can either call it either way. But there are other ways. You don't have to put the box around it. You can just do the lines down. But it's more than that. So make sure you put the decimal because that'll throw people off. 1 is in, of course, the ones place. So we will put ones because this side of the decimal is wholes. And wholes mean that you have an S at the beginning, at the end. And on this side you have parts, which means that you say like, alright guys, let's see in a minute. Give me a minute guys, I have an incoming call. I said it's on the table for it. I'm in the middle of making a presentation for my class, and so I have an incoming call, and now my whole class is waiting. So no, it's not on yet. So Lord, I'm trying to be quiet because I'm making a presentation right now. So hurry. Well, you said he was going to be home at 9, and I said, okay, goodbye. Well, I'm trying to make presentations. Just come home, and I'll put you outside a drink, okay? And I thought I gave you. Sorry, guys, just an incoming call. Sorry guys, incoming call, blah, blah, blah. Sorry guys. So, parts, remember, part, blah, okay. So, let me just bring this up a little. I'm sorry guys. So, this is parts. So, on the right side of the decimal is parts, on the left side of the decimal is wholes. So, 2 would mean that you have parts. Like on the right side of the decimal, you'll put TH at the end. So like 1 and then TH instead of an S at the end. You know what I mean? And you would say it you would say it in this. You would say 1 and 254 thousandths. Like a tambourine, like a. Okay, so this would be tenths. and this would be hundredths. Okay, this is really long. And then this is thousandths. I'm trying to do it sideways. Thousandths. Alright, that is good. So that is decimal ways that you can do it. But there's also comparing decimals. And I can teach you guys how to do that easily. Okay, so I'm trying to put this sideways so I can, like, at least look at it. And so I can at least write, like, regularly. I gotta write kind of sideways, but if you can't see it, I'll put it in front. Okay, so the decimal for today is 1 and 254 thousandths. Okay? And just like, don't do the box form, just keep it regular. And let's say 1 and 527 thousandths. 1 527 thousandths. So I would look at both the ones, but they're the same thing. So I would put 1. And then I would put decimal. But 5 is greater than 2, and so this number is greater than that. Plus 527, 27, that's a 7, guys. 1527 is actually greater because 527 is greater than 527 is greater than 254 thousandths. But you would say hundredths if you were doing it this way. Because, so you're saying, I'm saying if this was a 2, if 5 was a 2, then that'll be the same. And if that was a 5, that'll be the same. And then 4 and 7 will be the same. And then if 7 was a 4, those will be the same. And so you would say that they are equal. But remember, do not put this down. Do not put that symbol down. I am looking at this symbol, guys. Do not put that symbol down because that means greater than or equal, and then equal to. So that would be that, and you would give me a minute, guys. My desk. Come on, show my desk. Alright, guys, sorry. So what was I doing? Yes. Do not put this equal because that means greater than equal to. So that means it's greater than, but also equal to. So never put a line under the greater sign because that's what it means. I don't know what this symbol means. I don't even think that's a thing. So I guess you can do that. I don't know. So that would be equal. These would be equal if that was that. But it's actually, so you would say it in this. 1, 2, 5, 2, 7 is greater than 1, 2, 5, 4, which is also, 1 and 527 thousandths is greater than 1 and 257 thousandths. Sorry, I'm getting this all wrong. Actually, not wrong. I mean, I'm getting this all mixed up. So, that is what that is. But I'm going to show you, estimated form. I don't know how to say it. Expanded form. What? Expanded form. That's what it is. So, this is all, like, comparing decimals. That's, like, fuzz. I don't know what that is. Just like, to help you. So, I'm going to say 1. And then the decimal you say and 500. Oh yeah, 20.
Should have done that 3 hours ago.
Shush. I'm showing this to my teacher. Sorry, guys. He's just really mad. So, and then make sure on the 27 you put a dash, because that's just to make sure. So you don't say 27 and it's just like 27. 27. So, yeah, guys. That is how you say that number. And then how you say this number is 1 and 254. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to put thousands on this. For thousands. Sorry guys, I'm just stopping to check. So, that is that. And expanded form is the hardest of all of them. Well, for some people, but it's hard if you haven't quite taught it by, I don't know. So that's that. And so this is how you do it. You do 1 times, and it's in the ones place, so 1 times 1, make sure you put in the parentheses, plus 5 times 1/10, because it's in the 10th place, and so you put a fraction of 1/10. So just put the number down, and then times 1, and then put the fraction for that. And so you would also put the plus in the decimal, and the parentheses at the decimal, and then so you put 7 times 100, and then you'll do that, which equals 1527. So that's 15. But just got the 2, guys. Blah. It's not exactly right. It's not exactly right. 2, and then you would do plus, and then you would do blah, and then you would do plus. Okay, and then you would put 7 times 1000. There you go. And then that would equal, that decimal right there. So if you want to see it, actually, it would look like that. That is what it should look like. Hey guys, how you doing? Right, that's what it should look like. So that is decimals, and I forgot to show you fractional. Dang. Okay, one more thing, guys. Fractional form. Fractional form. Fractional form. Fractional form. Alright, fractional form is my favorite, but it's actually really hard. I'm just going to show you the basics, like how to write the number in fractional form. So, I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but I'll make sure they can see it. So, I'm going to put the first number, 1, and then you put the decimal. Okay, guys, so you would do this. So you would do 1, and then after the decimal where it's parts, you would put the decimal, and then you would put 2, 5, 4, and you put that, and then you'll put the place value. So it's kind of like doing this. Sorry, okay, so that is that. This is not a 1, that's the decimal. So okay, that is good. That is good. That is good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright, guys. So that is place value chart. Place value chart right there. How to compare decimals my way, but there's also other ways. I'll show you that in another video. There is word form, and then expanded form, and then that is a little bitty tiny fractional form. So, yes, guys, I hope you liked that video. Remember, for Miss.Knoxs class of 2015. I hope you guys like it there, and I hope you guys learned something today in science and math. Let's go, and goodbye!